So we are making the world's quickest vanilla cake today, which gets ready in just 6 minutes. We'll fill it with caramel and top it with chocolate ganache. You'll see how easily it all comes together. Let's get started with the ganache topping. So I'm starting with 1.5 cups of roughly chopped dark chocolate, and onto this I'm pouring some fresh cream which I've heated in the microwave for about 30 to 40 seconds. We let it sit for a couple of seconds and then start mixing it. You will see that the chocolate starts melting from the heat of the cream, and eventually you will get a super smooth and shiny chocolate ganache. This is ready. Let's set this aside and let it cool completely. To make the batter of our vanilla cake, I am going to start by combining some superfine sugar and some vegetable oil. You will see that the sugar has started dissolving slightly into the oil. At this stage, I am going to add in some homemade dahi. You could also use yogurt. Let's give this a good mix. And now I am adding in some good quality vanilla extract. So the wet ingredients are ready. It's now time to start adding in the dry ingredients. I am adding some all-purpose flour, which is maida, baking powder and baking soda. And now using my spatula, I am going to gently fold the dry mix in only until I don't see any large flour pockets in my batter. So my batter is ready. I am transferring this in a 6-inch microwave safe glass dish, which I have greased with vegetable oil and lined with parchment paper. This is ready. I am going to cook this in the microwave for 6 minutes on the regular heating mode that you would use to reheat your food. You don't need to set the temperature or preheat your oven since we are not cooking this on the convection mode. Just pop this in and press the quick start button. For my microwave, it took me about 6 minutes to cook the cake. It could take slightly longer or shorter depending on your microwave, so keep an eye. So 6 minutes are done and my cake is out of the microwave. Now using my piping tip, I am going to make about 4 holes on the surface of my cake. This is completely optional, but I am going to use this to fill some caramel sauce. You can make this caramel sauce at home from scratch. I have a detailed tutorial on my YouTube channel which I link in the description box below, so you can check it out. This looks good, and now I'm going to transfer all the chocolate ganache that we made earlier onto my cake and spread it out into an even layer. And now for that little crunch, I am going to put some butterscotch on top. I love this cake for how simple it is and the fact that you can make it even without an OTG. You can use this as a base recipe, change the fillings and toppings and make so many different kinds of cakes from this one recipe. I hope you guys will play around and make this cake at home. When you do, share pictures on Instagram by tagging me at Shivesh17. I'll see you guys next week with more recipes. Until then, happy baking and take care.